Welcome to Kalabhairava forecasting. Now we are going to look coming week. Before that, who interested this kind of videos, you can subscribe my Kalabhairava GAN. You can go to in YouTube. Go to YouTube. Just can type Kalabhairava GAN. Just click on it. There is a join button is there. You click the join button and take a weekly forecasting. 799 from January onwards. Interested can pay and subscribe my channel. Now let us go to for coming week. Last week you see Nifty was volatile, so exactly it happened. And Bank Nifty I said selling pressure. Compared to Nifty, Bank Nifty is not moved much upside, as we know very well. So every high selling pressure came. Second thing, crude oil I said every dip is a buy, so that is also exactly happened. And gold, you see our Indian market was volatile. International market said sell pressure, but as per our level, stop loss triggered also, we make a profit in reverse side. But my suggestion short term gold is every dip is a buy, that is I clearly mentioned in that last video. So gold I am looking still it's a bullish way, it may be go further up till another 1 month, chances are there. Now let's go for the coming week. Nifty, you look the Nifty coming week showing a buy strong, that is 13,689 is a buy level, 13,807 also buy level. So 13,631 below only sell, till that time every dip you can buy Nifty. Okay. Second, Bank Nifty also next week showing a buy strong. So 30,625 is a buy, 30,801 also buy, 30,538 below only sell. This is also I suggest if it close below 538 we can go short, otherwise keep the long position. So Nifty and Bank Nifty both are saying every dip is a buy. Coming week seems to be another one more rally upside possible. So Nifty maximum how much is possible coming week is most probably 13,925. Chances are very high. 13,925, maybe final target 14,161. Chances are there. So keep on buy on every dip. Keep the stop loss of 13,631 on closing basis or strong breakout, either anyone. Now this is for Nifty and Bank Nifty coming week. And crude oil, now you look, it's showing a sell strong. Coming week, keep the levels. 3,601 is a sell, 3,541 also sell, 3,631 above only buy. So 3,631 keep the level. If it break that level, you can enter a long position. Otherwise, every rise near to 3,631, we keep the short position. Keep stop loss of 3,631. Target might be 3,481 might come. Okay, this is for Indian crude oil. International crude, it's showing a volatility. So volatility means stop loss will trigger. That is what volatility. So mainly whenever I look volatility, I made experience many times stop loss was triggered, just like last week gold. So now you look crude oil international market showing a volatility. So this volatility might bring the market upside also, downside also. So as per Indian crude, you can play. International crude, please avoid it. Indian crude as per levels you can play. Gold. Now we look gold also saying a buying strong. So 50,177 is also buy. 50,401 also buy coming week. 50,065 below only sell. If it close below 50,065 go short. Otherwise buy on every dip gold. This is for Indian market. And international market also saying a buy strong. So now look 1849 also buy. 1893 also buy. This is also you can buy every dip. Don't miss this opportunity in gold. I am looking at some good up movement. So accumulate gold on every dip for short term. 1828 below only sell. If I am right, you can't able to see 1828 coming days. Maybe chances are there to again reach 2000 also. So try to buy every dip gold for another 1 or 2 months. After that I will update you. This is for gold. Natural gas, I said it will be bullish above 104. That was last week. Otherwise don't enter. As per Astro, I suggested it is a buy, maybe initiate, market might reach 225 if it crossed 204. So last week it was in consolidation range. This week it's showing a volatility. So heavy volatile is there. Coming week chances are there. So in this volatility, my suggestion 204 above you can go long. This natural gas might reach 225. Again I am saying it's a volatile, but stop loss might trigger. Do little quantity, it will bring you good profit for you, right? So mostly I said volatile means I should avoid the trade, but this time Astro is supporting, that is why I suggest go long, otherwise not. Okay, so what is the prediction for as per Astro? 21st December. Normally we are saying a Gann pressure date or natural pressure date. I said Saturn and Jupiter is conjunction. That is Jupiter and Saturn conjunction. Big upswing in coming days. So I suggest to all buy on every dip another 2 years in market. So why I am saying big upswing? Because of this conjunction. Not only this conjunction, as per financial table. Look, this is a financial table. As per financial table, now look, here is our, that is we are in this row. In this, these are end date. Keep in mind, these are end date. Around 19/6/2020. Low stock prices, already we reached that. Now it's saying a very high prices till 13/7/2022. So another 2 years we are going to look very high prices. It's saying a very high prices as per Gann financial table. It is a, I already mentioned in that it is a North Node or Ragu table. As per this, till 2022 we are looking some aggressive bullishness. So every dip is a buy. We are entering the buying zone. It is as per financial table I am approaching that. Corrections also possible, but time to time I will update. But right now this will bring what I am saying as per Astro, this aspect Saturn and Jupiter conjunction might bring maybe a good next cycle. These are a 20-year cycle. So this might be bring a, it exactly happen on natural date. So it may be more important. Okay. After that, on 24th December, Mars entering into Aries. So Mars entering into one sign, that is in Ketu Nakshatra. So we should concentrate on some pharma stocks. Pharma stocks might be go another rally also possible because of this Mars enters into Ketu Nakshatra. Okay. So this is just a suggestion. So next week only 4 days are trading days, 25th is a holiday. So keep these levels and play very carefully. So more and more updates, you just subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.